Hello everyone, in this quick one I'll be showing you how to fix this Python error. Okay, so let's see what this error is. Now this is my Python script here. Okay, there are no bugs, but when I try to run this one, it gives me this which says Python command not found. Okay, so how do we fix this? Now let's go to our extension on Visual Studio here. So go to extension, then you search for this one called the code runner. Okay, so you type code runner, then you search. Now this is the code runner extension. Make sure you have it installed. Now if you don't have this installed and you are facing this error, install that, go back to the code and run it again. But if you have this installed and you are still facing this challenge, then what you need to do is to click this settings button here, go to settings, the extension settings here. Okay, now once you get to the extension settings, scroll down and find the code runner executor map here, this one. Okay, once you find this one, you click on edit in settings JSON. Alright, so you get this JSON file. Then what you need to do is to search for Python. So you can do Control or Command F, then you search for Python. Okay, now once you get this Python, what you do is you put in Python 3 here. Okay, then you save this. Now putting 3 here, that means updating the Python to Python 3 should work. Okay, so let's try and run this code again. So I'll click on run, and it works. Okay,